Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this cool, amazing product, and it's by the brand called Andobil. If you guys can see right there, there's a logo. But before I describe it and show you guys how it works, let me actually open it and show you guys what comes inside this package first. So first thing first, when you open the package inside here, we have the actual product itself over here. So the product itself is quite light, it's not that heavy overall. But before I show you guys that, let me show you guys what else comes inside the package first. So you guys can see right here, user manual and the thank you card. So they provide you a card vent if you guys want to use it for a card vent right here. That's very nice. And the way you use it is by actually moving this little slot right here to close it and lock it, or if you guys want to open it back up, then you guys can open it back up. And here we have the other one if you guys want to put it on your dashboard and whatnot. So all you have to do is clip it onto here like that, and you guys can use it on your dashboard or whatever. And then the last thing that comes inside the package is the actual cable itself. So it's actually a really high-end quality product cable, and you guys can feel it instantly when you actually get the product, which is really nice. And because of the fact that since this is a wireless charging mount, you guys want to have a good cable to actually support the quick charge capability or the 10 watts capability for this product. Alright, so now let's do the test and show you guys how it works. So if you guys can see right here, here's the product itself. If you click this button right here, you guys can tell that it's actually locked right now, but if you click it, watch what happens. Like, that is amazing. And the way you would actually close it is by this little sensor or little button right here. It's actually really sensitive, so watch what happens. And it clips on really tight. Alright, so here we have the product. We're gonna plug it in right now and then let you guys see whether or not it actually works when it charges. Alright, so if you guys can see, I just plugged it in, it turned red, so that means it's on. Alright, so it does work. So let's actually clip it on now and see how it works. It does work. And then the mount itself is actually really tight. So if you guys can see, it's actually mounted right now. Like, the grip for the product is actually really strong, and if you guys didn't notice, it actually gripped it really tight, so it won't actually fall off. And the other cool thing about this product, if you guys have like a bigger phone or something and that one won't actually fit, you guys can actually pull it right here to actually extend it to whatever size you want it to be or however angle you want it to be. So that is the full length overall as a product. And you guys want to fix it to wherever you want to have it, then just push that back up to wherever you want. And then for this component right here, just clip on that part and you're pretty much set to use the wireless charger mount right here. So if you guys look in the bottom of the product, you guys can see that there's a micro USB slot to actually plug it in. So when you guys are using this product, you guys want to make sure you guys are using a really good cable and a good charging mount or a good charging adapter when you're using it in the car. But now that we talked about the product and did a little test and feedback of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it. So for this product, it costs around $45 or $46. And would I say that it's actually worth it for that price range? Obviously, when you hear the price range for that, it's really expensive and you want to know why is it so expensive. And I have to say that the reason why this is so expensive is obviously, one, is branding. So the name is already out there for this brand. It's actually really good brand because they're known for making really high-end and good quality product. And then for this product right here, it's actually automatic. So if you don't know what I mean by automatic, is that that's automatic. So it is an amazing quality product overall because of everything that's on this. Very nice grip on the side of the buttons, on this little padding right here to actually hold it. You get the padding and cushioning on the bottom as well, so it actually protects your phone overall. And then the fact that this is actually a wireless charger. If you guys don't know how much wireless charger costs nowadays, and this costs $45, that's pretty damn amazing. You're getting a wireless charging mount. It is a little bit pricey, but it's actually going to be worth it in the long term if you guys are trying to invest in something to use it every single day, traveling, wherever you want to go to, I don't know, hiking or going traveling to like another city or whatever the case may be. It's actually really worth it. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing testing of the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have